There momentarily.
Webinar is streaming live in Facebook.
All right, I'm going to pull it up over here, make sure it's not lying.
It is not lying. Welcome, Greg. Welcome, Jamie. Welcome, Pam. Welcome, Renee. Let's jump over here in the Facebook.
There we are.
If you can hear us, guys, put a 1 in the comments, please.
Yeah, let us know where you're coming in from. No matter what you're on, if you're on Zoom or if you're on Facebook, just kind of, let us know where you're coming in from. I like to see where people are coming in from around the world. I usually like to give a minute or so for the live signal to go out there and grab some people. So,
Ladon's Fire. I like that name, Ladon. If that's your real name, that's awesome. That's awesome. And Daryl, welcome. And David over here on Facebook, welcome.
Cool. Awesome. So guys, today this presentation here is it's going to be real quick. It's just some slides about the company, about the products. Real quick, who this webinar is for and who it's not for. This webinar is for people that are thinking about becoming a customer, okay? We want to go through and show you the products. I'm actually going to go into some of the products live on my computer and, go right into them, so you'll see the viewpoint as if you own the products. Go through some different information. We're going to talk about the updates from Vegas. We're going to talk about the Swipe Trade Bootcamp towards the end. And also we're going to open it up for any questions that you might have. So Jason and I will answer those questions for you live right here on Facebook. So, and if you are a customer, this is not the webinar for you, right? If you are a customer and you have questions about setup and how things work, you do that over in the customer group. All right. Jason here has a webinar every Saturday where he goes, step by step on how to get things set up. So make sure you get registered for that webinar, and Jason will get you up going very quickly. All right. Having said that, guys, real quick, I just wanted to talk about, first of all, how I came to these products. A good friend of mine, about a year ago, I've been using these products for actually over a year now, and I was already trading the Forex for a few years successfully, but I was getting a little burnt out with the way I was doing it because I was on the charts all the time. I wanted more. I'm at that time in my life where I want more time with my family, and more time to go out and do things. So I saw these products as a way to do that. That's how they're advertised, right? Copy and paste, make things simple. So I decided to grab the products and give them a go for 30, 60, 90 days. I grabbed the products and I loved them. It did exactly what they were supposed to do. I let the professionals do all the chart analyzing instead of me. And I just took the signals, from the traders and did what they said to do. And I actually ended up, making more money on a lot of trades than I used to. Then I went ahead and, now I knew about the Forex. That's one thing. So then I gave this thing to these products to, some people who knew nothing about trading, right? Nothing. Jason was one of those people, right? Knew nothing about the Forex. And then they plugged in and they started having success, right? Actually, success within like 30, 60, 90 days, which at first pissed me off because it took me 5 years of trial and error and making mistakes and spending money and losing money, and over and over and over again. And here's someone like Jason coming in and with 30, 60 days, he's having a 200 pip day, So it was crazy. So when I saw that happening, I knew I wanted to help as many people as possible. So I went ahead and created this group that you're in. We just renamed it. It used to be called the Results Group. Now it's called Education Tools and Resources. The name may change again. I don't know, but that's what it is right now. And the group's over a year old. We have over 50,000 people in here. Thousands of them are customers that we help on a daily basis. And you'll see how we help our customers down the road. So that's my story. And let's dive right in to the slides real quick and just give you a rundown of the products and the company. All right. We're looking good. All right. All right, so the company, if you haven't figured out by now, it's iMarkets Live. All right, and the niche that we are in is the Forex market, right? We trade the Forex market. Now, if you're brand new, what is the Forex market, right? The Forex market is the largest financial market in the world. Most people think it's the stock market, and the stock market's pretty big. It's 30 billion, right, dollars per day that go through the stock market. But the Forex market, right, is $5.3 trillion per day. And if you add in the crypto market, it's more like $8.5 trillion a day now with the crypto market in it, right? That's trillion with a T, guys. And to get an idea of how much just $1 trillion is, if you saved $100,000 every single day from the day Jesus Christ was born till today, you'd have $500 billion, right? And that's how much money that is. And we have 5.3 to 8.5 trillion going through this per day, right? And the cool thing about the Forex is you can trade on any device, right? With the technology these days, you can trade, just from your phone. I'm going to show you how you can trade on your phone, your computer, your laptop, whatever you have, whatever device you have, you can use it to trade the Forex. Now, what is iMarkets Live? They are a first-class education and software provider, right? They provide software, tools, resources, and education. This company was founded in July 4th, 2013. So this July coming up, this company is going to be 5 years old, and that was a really big thing for me with making the decision to commit to these products, because there's always that when you join something that you're unfamiliar with or you haven't seen, you're seeing it for the first time. There's always these thoughts of, do the products work? Is this a scam? Those types of things. And what I've found in my experience is that companies that have products that don't work, they don't last longer than a year, right? In this day and age with social media and where, things get around almost instantly, companies don't last more than a year if they have crappy products, right? The word gets around and then they have no customers anymore, right? So being around 5 years was like, all right, these products got to be good because they wouldn't be able to last 5 years. Also, the same thing with scamming. You're not going to last a year if you're scamming people, right? You last 5 years, you've got something good going. So that was important to me to know that they've been around that long. They're operating in over 120 countries. They're debt-free and privately owned, and there's no third-party services. So everything I show you here is all owned or created by iMarkets Live. Now, the corporate leadership, I'm just going to talk about one person here today. That's Christopher Terry right here. This guy is the owner, the CEO of iMarkets Live. He's been trading for over 20 years. He's been featured in books and magazines, radio. This guy is he's traded accounts for other, people, other companies in excess of $100 million. This guy knows what he's doing, and he's the genius behind all these products that you're about to see here. So what makes us unique and why you're protected by becoming a customer here and using these products? So the first one, results with our services are not guaranteed. And what we mean by that is, if you see these companies out in the marketplace, the last 6 months or so, all these Forex cryptocurrency people getting shut down. And the reason why is because they're guaranteeing results, right? They're guaranteeing that you're going to make 5% a day or 5% a month or 10% a day or 10% a month. And you can't make guarantees like that, right? Because you're part of the equation, right? You're going to be taking trades, you're going to be making decisions, and you can't guarantee that. What we guarantee is that we have the best, that we're always going to provide you with the best software, the tools, the resources, and educators that money can buy. All right, we get the best people out there and we guarantee it. Now, iMarkets Live does not trade your money or handle your investments. So they have nothing to do with your money. Your money goes into a Forex broker, right? You're just using iMarkets Live for the tools, the resources, and the education. You take the trades yourself in a Forex broker. iMarkets Live does not earn on your trades, right? So same thing, all your money is over in a broker. You're the only one with the username and password to that. So we don't take a percentage of your profits or anything like that. And you can enter and exit trades anytime. Again, why? Because you have full control. And our objective is to empower, enrich, and educate millions of customers worldwide. And we are well on our way to doing that. So let's just jump right into the products. The first product here, we have a few different kinds of products. We have that, I always bring up that proverb, give a man a fish and he'll eat for a day. Teach a man a fish and he'll eat for a lifetime. And we've got both kinds of products. We've got give a man a fish products and teach a man a fish products. And this one here is, teach a man a fish product. This is the IML Academy. It's a complete Forex mastery course. It's got 60 plus videos, multiple languages, basic to advanced, and you're learning from expert traders, not just market theorists or pretenders, right? There's people that go through this course, and once they've mastered what's in it, become professional, profitable traders, right? It's an amazing, amazing course. The next product, IML TV, and this product I'm actually going to show you the product because it's so amazing. It's over 100, and now it's 170. That says 120. We haven't changed or updated the slide, but it's over 170 hours of live Forex and cryptocurrency education per week, guys. Per week. That's not per month or per year like some of the other companies, right? That's per week, and I'll show you how that's possible. Multiple languages, many trading sessions, and the live sessions are recorded in case you miss them. Let me go over to iMarkets Live TV. All right, now I'm going to show you. Now we've got crypto education. That's something I want to bring up real quick. IML has spent the last 5 years just teaching people how to crush the Forex market. Well, now we're duplicating all of the products that we've had that have been massively successful in Forex. We're duplicating them for the cryptocurrency market as well. And you'll see that as I go through these products. One of the first things we initiated was crypto education into the Forex education. So I'm just going to click on this real quick and just give you an example. We've got it right now in English and in Spanish. I'm going to click on the English, and you can see how it's set up. It's pretty easy. It's set up like a calendar, right? And down the left side here, you have all of the expert traders. They're called educators, right? And these are, this is the crypto channel, all cryptocurrency traders. And if you want to get on any of their sessions, it's real simple. So if you want to get on Luke's on Monday at 6 p.m. Eastern, all you do is show up at that time. You scroll down here, find his picture, which is right here. You click on that, and it brings you right into his webinar room live. So you can watch him mark up the charts live. You can take the same trades he's taking. You can ask him questions, right? And he'll answer the questions for you right there live. It's an amazing, amazing process. Let me show you the Forex. Now the Forex, we got a little bit more. We got English, Spanish, German, Portuguese, and French. I'm going to go to the English. And you can see it's laid out the same way, but there's a lot more here because they've been doing Forex, for a lot of years here. All of these educators over here all make 6 to 7 figures trading the Forex market. They're all professional traders, right? And they're all different times around the world. So you've got Christopher Derrick, who does the London session. So those of you in UK and in Europe, this would be a great educator for you to jump on with. You got Mike Miles, who does late at night. You've got Lex Wave, who does the New York session in the morning, and everywhere in between, guys, right? I mean, you can just see all the value here. There's people that use this one product right here, right? And they log on to their favorite educator. They take the same trades that they're taking, and they're profitable traders just from using the one product, right? It's very, very powerful. This one product here, to me, is worth the money, to get into this program. All right, let's jump over to the slides. And we've got the Harmonic Scanner. I'm going to show you this product as well. The Harmonic Scanner is really interesting. This is one of my favorite products. In fact, I used it today to win a couple trades. And what this does is it goes out into the Forex market and it scans the market. It's kind of like artificial intelligence, right? It goes out and it's scanning for something specific. It's looking for harmonic patterns, right? And you don't even know what you need to know what they are, right? Because the software does it all. But what you do need to know is when these patterns are found, there's a high predictability of what direction that pair is going to go based on the pattern. We're talking like 80, 90% accuracy at picking the direction of the market. And let me just run right over here right now. Now, these next 3 products that you're going to see, all right, they may look a little intimidating. You're going to see a lot of lines, a lot of charts, and a lot of patterns and all this different things. Don't worry about it. It's actually very easy. We have some strategies. I'm going to go pull up a trade that I was in today. sometime today. I think it was this one right here, the EuroCAD. Let me pull this one up. Yeah, that was the one. Okay. So you can see what this thing did, right? It went out and it, you can see here the EuroCAD 15-minute, and it's a bat pattern. It finds the pattern and actually draws the pattern out on the screen. You can see it here. Now, also what it does is it gives you kind of an estimate. See this green line? It says this is where we think you should get into this trade, and it's a buy. How do we know it's a buy? Because the take profits are up top. If the take profits were underneath it, it would be a sell. Another way to know is the stop loss here, the red, where it's telling you a suggested stop loss is underneath the green line. That's a buy. If it was over the green line, it would be a sell. And look how great this worked out, right? The price came down right exactly to the green line and then shot up to take profit 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now, this is not a signal service, so you don't want to just take the trade the moment the pattern comes up. I have a strategy that I developed that I teach everybody. When you become a customer, we move you over into a customer group where we get you set up. We get you set up quickly, teach you how to do everything. We also have our strategies over there. And I have a quick fire strategy that's a 4-step strategy. It's just like a checklist. Do the 4 things match? Cool, get in. They don't match, you don't get in, and you wait for the next scan. All right? And it just helps you get a lot more accuracy out of this and keeps you out of bad trades. So my strategy combined with this harmonic scanner is a gold mine, guys. It's a gold mine. All right, let's come back over here. We got the web analyzer. Now this is similar to the harmonic scanner because it scans the market, but it's looking for something different. There's a specific set of algorithms that it's looking for. When it finds it, it brings back highly accurate entry points. And again, with this product, just like the scanner, we have some strategies that you can use to help you confirm if it's a trade or not. And I'm going to jump over to that product right now. Okay, let me get this out of there. So again, guys, don't let this intimidate you. There's a lot of stuff going on here, but it's actually really simple. When it finds a trade, it lets you know. And the way it lets you know is over here on the side. Right, you can see here, it'll color it green for a buy. Let's see if I can find a sell right here, and red for a sell. And it says potential buy on the EuroCAD M15. Remember that EuroCAD I showed you that the harmonic scanner picked out? Well, guess what? The analyzer picked it out too, right? Same pair, same time frame, everything, right? So again, you would get a signal, and then you would use one of the strategies that we have to confirm it. And if it's confirmed, then you get in. All right. If it's not confirmed, then you skip it and wait for the next signal. Now, this product, again, just like all the other products, works fantastically well. We have tons of testimonials from this, people just doing really, really well. Now, what we also have, you remember what I told you, we're replicating all of our products in the crypto market. I'm going to click here, and you're not going to notice much different. It looks exactly the same, except for up here, it says IML Crypto Analyzer, right? If you notice, these are coins, right? These are all the different coins. So this does the same thing, except for it goes out to the cryptocurrency market, looks for potential buys and sells, and brings them back to you, all right? So you can use this to trade the crypto market, right? And trading the crypto market, in my opinion, guys, is way better than what most people are doing. Most people are buying coins and holding on to them and hoping they go up in value. Right? How good was that plan for the guy who bought Bitcoin at 20,000? Right? And now it's down to like 8,000, right? When you're trading, you can make money when coins go up, and you can make money when coins go down. You just need to know what direction they're going in, and this is going to help you do that. Right? This is going to help you with that direction. It's going to go green when it thinks it's a buy, red when it thinks it's a sell. You match it up with our strategy and either get in or you don't get in. Massively successful with that. All right. Let's see. We got swing trades. All right. So this product is really cool. This is similar to IML TV in that you're looking over the shoulder of a professional trader, but this professional trader is the CEO of the company. That guy I told you that was featured in radio and television and magazine and books, that's managed $100 million accounts. Well, he scans the market, cryptocurrency and Forex. And when he finds an opportunity that he wants to take for himself, he makes a video of it and then sends it out to the entire company and says, hey, this is what I'm looking at. This is where I'm thinking of getting in. This is where I'm thinking of getting out. This is where I'm thinking of taking profit. This is where I'm, my risk is going to be. Everything that he's going to do in a video and sends it out, right? How cool is that to have someone that good at trading, and to be able to look over their shoulder and take trades? Phenomenal product. Let's see here. Swipe trades. All right, this product is awesome. And let me, I'm going to stop the screen so I can show you a little bit better. I'm going to pull up. Okay, so right here. So this is Swipe Trades is an app on your phone, okay? And the way this works, and I love it, is that the professionals do all the work, right? So they've got right now 5 professional traders feeding signals to this app. And what they do is they go out there and they analyze the charts, look for opportunities, look for patterns. And when they find them and they're about to take the trade for themselves, they send that information to the app on your phone, right? And you'll get a notification similar to a text message. You just look at your phone and you bring it up and it looks something like this, right? Okay. And then all you do is you hit that green button and you accept the trade. All right. And then this is the type of information that you're going to get. Is it a buy or a sell, when to get in, the take profits, the stop losses, everything that you need to get in the trade is right there for you. Okay. Now it's really, really simple. If you see these folders over here, all you do, let's look at that entry price, right? You hit that little folder and look what it says. Data successfully copied, right? And then all you do is you go over to your trading app, which is, I have them right side by side on my phone. You open up the trading app and you hit paste. And you do that with 2 or 3 numbers and that's it. It takes you about 15 seconds to get a trade in there. 30 seconds if you're going really slow with it, okay? And we actually had a guy on our team who timed all the trades, how long it took him to manage all the trades throughout a day. And the total time was 3 minutes. 3 minutes total time to handle a day's worth of trades, right? That's why this product is so popular, because people can do it when they're out and about. They can do it at their job, right? They can step aside for a second and take 15 seconds, to enter in a trade. I had experience a couple of weeks ago when I was at the doctor's. My daughter was sick and we were in the doctor's office and, waiting to be seen by the doctor. And I got a signal and I opened it up and I remember it was the pound NZD. I copy and pasted, it took me 15 seconds and then boom, the doctor walked in and, we went on with our day and went and dropped my daughter off at school after that because she checked out okay, came back home and I was in profit, so it was a beautiful thing. All right, let's see what else we got here. Let's see, share a screen. Okay. So guys, oops. Training and support, right? So if you're the type of person that's looking for good training and support, then we got you covered here in spades, because first off, you got the corporate site, right? The corporate trading, what they provide. They got IMLuniverse.com. You can actually go there. It's not password protected. You can actually go there and see the quality of training that the corporation gives in helping people set up all the products and get up and running quickly. There's an app on your phone, the IML corporate app, where you can access all the stuff you can on the web, but do it, mobile, with your mobile phone. The 7-figure mentorship, where there's, webinars and such of successful traders, showing you what they do. Now, on top of all this, I've created, we, the leaders here, we've created what's called a customer group, right? So when you become a customer, we move you into a different Facebook group called the customer group. And when you get in there, there's thousands and thousands of customers in there, everywhere from newbies to million-dollar traders. And we're all there to help you, right? We have a quick start guide in there. You can go by step on how to get everything set up, which brokers to choose, how to get them set up, which products to choose, and how to get them set up. We walk you through step by step. Jason has a webinar every single Saturday, right? Where he, if that guide's not enough for you, if you're struggling with it, Jason on Saturday in a webinar walks you through live step by step through that. And you can ask him questions about that as well. We also do webinars in there, different trainings. Bottom line, and this is above and beyond IML. This is not even IML trading. This is just us volunteering our time to help you out because we believe in these products so much. So massive. Ooh, I almost lost my voice there. Let me take a sip of water there. All right. Okay. So where are we?
Support.
Support. All right, we're done with support. How to get started? All right. So how to get started? This is it's really, really simple. I'm just going to go through these slides. There's only one package here, but you know we have two packages, and I'll explain that. So first off, you have what's called the Platinum package, right? It's the complete Forex education package. You've got the IML Academy, IML TV, Harmonic Scanner, and the daily swing trades. Okay, and that's for a $195 plus tax one-time fee, and then $145 a month plus tax thereafter. And I'm actually gonna here in a second show you how you can actually get that monthly fee waived. Sorry, this indigestion's killing me. All right, so you got that. Now if you get the Platinum package, all right, and once you get back into your office and you log in, you can actually add the other products if you want. So say if you got the Platinum package and you wanted to get the swipe trades as well, you can just come to your office, your back office, and add that, okay, for an extra $15 per month. Now, there's another package back there that's $225 plus tax first month, $175 plus tax each month after that, and that's everything. So you get the swipe trade and you'll get both web analyzers in that package as well. That just gets you everything. That's the package that most people get. So if you go back there, you're going to see Platinum package, and you're also going to see Platinum Elite package, and Platinum Elite is the one you want, unless you just want the education, and you can go with the Platinum package. All right, so you can actually get the monthly fee waived, which is a really cool thing. This is something they implemented a couple of years ago, and it's called the 2 for free. And what that is you just simply refer to customers, right? So say you get in here, you're using the Swipe Trades app, you're having like massive success with it, and you just start telling people about it because you're excited, and they say, man, I want to get that. How do I get that? Well, you'll have a referral link in your back office that's linked to you. It's tracked to you. So if you run into a situation like that, you give them your link. And if you get 2 people that purchase the products with your link, your monthly fee is waived. And you never have to pay as long as you have 2 active people, right? So for example, let's say you've got 2 active people for 6 months. You'll never have to pay that monthly payment for 6 months. 6 months. Let's say on month 7, one of them drops off for some reason. On month 7, you'll be charged the $175 if you got the Elite package, right? But if you replace that customer before your anniversary date, you won't be charged, okay? And you can continue on, you know, with no monthly fee. So that is super, super cool. And again, you know, what do you get? You get prestigious leadership, you get world-class products and education, you get dynamic platform for any situation. So it doesn't matter how much time you have, how much money you have, how much experience you have, newbie, $1 million trader, we've got stuff here to make you, a better trader. Friendly and supportive culture, unmatched passion and vision, talking too fast. Let your money work for you. You know, there's a saying that one of our members said that I like to talk about. And he said, Mike, you know, there's people, they try to work so hard to make money when what they really should be doing is getting their money to work hard for them, right? And that's so true. And that's what these products do. These products help get your money to make you money rather than you out there, you know, slaving and making money, right? So real quick, I want to talk about a couple things before we go to the Q&A. We recently, this past weekend, had an event in Vegas, Las Vegas. IML did, right? And there was customers from around the world, guys. There was somewhere between 5,000 and 7,000 customers there. It was awesome. You know, it was awesome. It was great, you know, meeting you guys. If any of you were on air and we're there. It was awesome meeting you guys. And they announced some new things coming down the pipe that I want to share with you guys. So one thing they're doing is called the Swipe Trades Plus. All right, so we got the Swipe Trade with the 5 traders. They're going to add 5 more traders, okay, and they're going to call it the Swipe Trade Plus. Now, I don't know if it's going to be an upgrade to the one we have or it's going to be 2 different ones. I don't know how they're going to do it, but they're going to charge an extra $15 a month for that option, all right, for those people that just want to get crazy with it. My personal opinion is that you don't need more than just the 5 that we got. You can make all the money you want to make with the 5 that we got. But if you use the one we have and you feel comfortable with it and you've got the extra time and you want to take on the extra trades, there are going to be plenty of trades to take. They're talking like their goal is to get 3 to 4 times the pips that we're getting right now, and we're already breaking records. So that's insane. Another big announcement was the Swipe Coin app, guys. So in that theme of replicating all our products, it's going to be the Swipe Coin app. So we're going to have the same app, but for the crypto market. And they went out and found one of the best cryptocurrency traders on the planet. The guy's been trading for 5 years, basically for as long as cryptocurrency has been around. This guy has been trading it, and we have him here with IML. And he is going to be sending coin signals to the Swipe Coin app. All right, that's insane. Now, what's more insane is that now it hasn't launched yet. It's going to be like what I'm hearing is like within the next week, 2 to 4 days, something like that. It's going to get launched. It's going to be free until May 1st, right? So you as a customer, if you get in now, you're going to be able to use this app. Whenever it launches here in the next few days for the rest of March, all of April, all right, and May 1st, it'll go to $99 per month, okay, for that app. So you get a whole month to test it to see if it's worth it for you. And with cryptocurrency, if you know crypto, you can make $99 in like a second, with cryptocurrency. But you get to play around with it, right? Demo trade it, and see if it's worth it for you. $99 a month, or if you've got your 2 active customers, it's free. All right. So you have the ability to make it free by just referring 2 active customers. So awesome there. Also, that swing trade product that I told you about with Christopher Terry, he does that video of his trades. Well, he's going to go out and handpick some professional 6- and 7-figure traders that are also going to start doing that as well. So they're going to add 2, 3, 4 more people to that swing trade product. So you're going to get, more and more videos from professional traders. So that was really good. Also, I showed you the web analyzer. I showed you the Forex version and the crypto version. Originally, those were going to be 2 separate products, right? Well, now the crypto analyzer comes free with the web analyzer, right? So if you go into your back office and you add the web analyzer, you're going to get the crypto web analyzer for free with it. So that was great news. That was initially going to be a separate product at $15 a month, and they included it as free. So that was pretty good. And then I heard they're going to add a lot more educators for German folks. So if you're you speak German, there's going to be a lot more educators in IML TV for you as well for that. And for those of you that trade binary, there's going to be more tools and education for the binary folks as well. I personally don't trade binary. We don't have much back there right now for that, but I guess there's been a demand for it. So as IML often does, they've listened and they're adding educators and tools and resources for you binary folks as well. Jason, did I forget anything?
You covered it all except for one thing. If you weren't in Vegas, you better be in Miami. That's in September. It's going to be awesome. We had a great time, guys, seeing everybody, and had some amazing training. And not just on the business side, but also on the on the Forex trading and the crypto trading side. Had almost a full day of trading there at the Rio in Las Vegas. So it was awesome. It was probably one of the best events that I've been to. And I've been doing this for a long time, guys, as you know, 16 years. So without a shadow of a doubt, I think you covered it all as far as the announcements. And here's just the the overall view of this, guys. IML keeps getting better every day, every way. It keeps getting better, and it just continues to astonish me as far as what they are doing on a daily basis with this swipe coin and with all the added features that are coming down the line. It's just exciting times, without a doubt. So if you're not a member, become a member.
Yeah, I agree. I agree absolutely. And then what we do too, not only is IML getting better, but us as a community, we keep getting better. And what we keep doing too is we look where the holes are, right? Like nobody's perfect, right? So we look where the cracks and the holes are with IML, and as a community, we try to fill those cracks. And one of the ways that we've done that is with something that you may have heard of called the Swipe Trade Mastery Bootcamp. All right. So what we did is we took one of the favorite products of our customers, the Swipe Trade app. And basically what happened, you might say, Mike, swipe trades, it's simple. It's just copy and paste. You just showed us how simple that was. Why do you need a mastery course for that? So this is what happened. Over the year of doing this, we had tons of success stories with that product. But we also had people that failed with it, right? And it was kind of a mystery with us. We're like, wait a minute. Everybody got the same exact numbers. How can everybody get the same numbers, but some people have success and some people fail? So we went back and talked to some of these folks that failed and quit, and I kind of interviewed with them. And basically what they told us is that, they were brand new, right? They were brand spanking new. They didn't know anything about the Forex. So when they got involved with the app and the signals started coming in, these are professional traders, and there's notes at the bottom. So sometimes, they may say, stuff that a new customer doesn't understand, right? They don't understand the lingo and the language of the Forex market, of the Forex community. So something simple and common sense to me, like close partial profits, to a brand new person, that was confusing to them. And if they figured out what it meant, they couldn't figure out how to do it, right? And they would get frustrated about it, right? And there was no one to talk to about it. And 2 or 3, 4 times of doing that, they would quit. They would see everybody else making money. They weren't. They felt like an idiot. They felt too stupid to ask questions, and they quit, right? So we wanted to help those people. So what we did is we created this Bootcamp Mastery course. And really what it is like a support group, really. It's a chat, all right? It's a chat group that we add everybody to. And what we did was, because we've been doing this for a year, we have customers from all around the world using this product successfully. We went and talked to them and asked them if they would volunteer their time to help us help you. And they agreed. So basically the situation we have is, no matter where you are in the world, when you get a swipe trade, if you don't understand what it's saying, or you think you understand it and the trade's not going through, you're having problems, you can immediately go to the chat group and ask your question. Say, man, I'm stuck on this. How do I fix it? And there's going to be someone there in your time zone to be able to answer that question right there and then, so you can get into the trade. Okay. And it's been phenomenal. The people that we've been helping with this has been amazing. I've been getting testimonials. A guy told me personally that he was trying it on his own for 3 or 4 weeks, and he was so frustrated and about to quit. And when we launched the boot camp, the first week of the boot camp, he said he had a 30% increase in his account, right? Just because we were there to help him right on the spot, right? So it's a phenomenal thing that we're going to keep in place for month after month after month. We have no plans of getting rid of it, and it's just added support to help you. So if you're brand new and you're worried about what to do, we've got you covered, guys. We've got you covered. So other than that, I really don't have anything else. So if you guys have any questions, we can use the remainder of our time here to answer your questions. So if you're in Zoom, just ask it in the chat. If you're in Facebook, go ahead and ask it in the comments, and we'll get your questions answered for you. So I'm gonna take a sip of water while we wait. I don't know if you've seen any, Jace.
There is no questions as of yet, but go ahead and put the questions in the chat, guys, if you're in Facebook, or in the question Q&A section if you are in Zoom. And back on that bootcamp, just real quick, the community is just growing every single day. 678 people in that community now, and it's awesome. So we have people that are here to help you. So you go ahead and get any questions answered on the swipe trades as they come in, like Michael said. So it's working, I think, better than I could even imagine, and I can imagine a lot.
I see one question here from Darren. Cool. He says, "Swipe Coin will be a different app," and yes, it'll be that's my understanding, anyways. Is that it's going to be a completely new app, that's going to have this professional cryptocurrency trader, and they went out and found the best, and So I'm excited about that because I don't trade much cryptocurrency. I'm really Forex focused.
Mark says, Swipe Camp Mastery Bootcamp certainly put me on the right track as a newbie.
Awesome,
So
Mark.
that is awesome, without a doubt. And Joe, happy to have you here, without a doubt, and everyone else that is watching as well. If you are not a member and you have a question, please let us know those questions.
We got one here saying, when I think what he's asking is, when is the Swipe Coin app coming? I've heard it's like days away, days away. When you're dealing with, hold on, my daughter's trying to call me here.
That usually means about a week. So yeah. maybe I would under promise and over deliver. I would say a week or two. But guys, I mean, who knows exactly when that's going to pop? But when it does, you'll be the first, maybe second to know.
Yeah.
So we have a couple questions. Kim is asking, is there a problem with time differences? You're probably meaning like different time zones. Well, the Forex trades, Kim, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. And it has, 4 different markets that it trades in. And we have traders that trade all the markets. So we have traders, the main 2 markets are New York session and the London session. And we have traders that trade. So, sometimes when I'm over here in the, in the mountain time zone of the United States, sometimes the trade will come in at night and vice versa. But there's plenty of trades. There's 5 different traders on the Swipe Trades app alone. So long story short, there is no problem with time differences. You are gonna, there's gonna be trades that you miss and trades that you get, and it's, it is what it is.
Yep, it's awesome.
Abdenur is asking, we want 1 video each day for a Swipe Trade boot camp. Well, you've got all the videos. You can watch them one day at a time. There's 8 videos, so you can take 8 days to watch those videos if you want to. That's totally up to you. Richard, that you can go ahead and send me a message for that, and I'll make sure that you get the information on how to do that. David is asking, how do you market this program, even if you're not trading real money yet? As far as, go ahead.
I thought you were taking some water. David, this is a customer webinar, so we're not talking about the business side here. You can ask that question over in the Facebook group, and we'll be happy to answer it for you.
And Mark says, money doesn't sleep. You are 100% right, without a shadow of a doubt. And that's one of the things that Michael talked about earlier, guys, is, you have to find a way to get money to work for you, not just always work for money. And that's what this can do for you as a member of iMarkets.
The great thing too is the market's open 24 hours a day, right? 5 days a week. And if you include crypto, it's 7 days a week, right? And we have a variety of different products, right? Products like, the reason why I like the Harmonic Scanner and the reason why a lot of people like the Web Analyzer is because, it's there for you when you're ready to trade, right? So if you get done with work and you want to trade for a couple hours, you just sit down, you open up the scanner or the Web Analyzer, and you just wait for signals, and you just take the signals that come in. Right? Or if you want to get up a couple hours early and do it, or on the weekends or whatever, on the weekends you can trade crypto, with the Web Analyzer. So that's why we've got a variety of tools to fit a variety of lifestyles and people. So it's pretty cool.
There's so many different ways of making money and so many different products. I mean, we talk a lot about the Swipe Trades app because it's really simple for a new person. But guys, we have $1 million traders that are using our services and the products and making a killing. So it's all dependent on where you are in your process. You can be a brand spanking newbie, or you can be an experienced trader, and it's something for everybody, without a doubt.
Yeah, for sure. All right.
Let's see here. Chris is saying all the tools and support you'd ever need in one happy place. I added the happy. Awesome stuff. All right, guys. Do you have any other questions? Please go ahead and put them into the chat in Facebook or here in Zoom. And if not, we're gonna go ahead and get wrapped up.
And if you're watching this as a recording, just drop your questions down there, and we'll circle back and get them answered for you. If that's the case. And Darren says, thanks for your time, guys. So incredibly helpful. You're welcome. You're welcome. Oh, and the last thing is that I can't believe I forgot to say it, but if you are ready to join, you're interested in joining, get back to the person that added you to this group, the person that showed you this webinar, the person that showed you this group. Get back to them and get their link and get in. And if if you are watching the recording and you want, maybe answers a little bit quicker, just get back to that person. They'll answer your questions. They'll get you the link, and we'll get in, and we'll get you in. Pretty simple stuff. Let's see. David says, thank you. You're welcome, David.
Shinobi's asking, will Swipecoin have different altcoins or just Bitcoin? I'm assuming it's going to have the main 4 or 5 coins, Shinobi, but that is yet to be determined. When
they haven't given us any details on it. All they've told us is that the app's coming out, and we've got one trader sending signals to it. So it's whatever that guy trades.
Yep. That will be determined when that happens.
Yeah, exactly.
Cool.
Yeah. Once it launches.
Yeah, there you go. Awesome, guys. Well, thank you for being here tonight. Again, get back to the person who invited you to this webinar. Get back to the person where you got the link from, who invited you to the group as well, and get started, guys. This has been, without a shadow of a doubt, the best financial decision that I've made for myself and my family in a long, long time, and it can be for you as well. So get back to the person who invited you, get started, and we'll welcome you to the team. Have an amazing rest of your evening, guys.
Yeah, have a great weekend as well. See ya.